Then we will tell you about the portal version in this issue. There are many customers and so on. We only make that kind of portal version, right? Let me come to an order. I only make the portal version at this time, right? Then we have a quick way. That is, we can directly right-click to import the portal version. Right, click to import the portal version, then open the order, right? Create a new order. After opening the order, you can directly right-click to import the portal version. Then we have to download a visual form, that is, if there is no corresponding form. So, after we click on Import Portal, right? You can find a single layer table in your computer and click to open it. Then it will show where to download the visual file and save it. Save it to the desktop, right? For example, it is called Portal Import, Portal Import, Portal Import. And then you can save it at this time. Then this is equivalent to our visual file. At this time, we can find our table, and it has several default values. That is a model, width, height, thickness, quantity, material. The material is the color, right? And the direction and edge banding, right? And if I am at the back, right? Because some door panels need hinges, right? So you can add this value to it. For example, it is called hinge. And then if there is a hinge position, the hinge position is actually not required under normal circumstances. That is, it does not need to be written unless it is special. For example, I may close the layer version of the hinge so the position may change. Then at this time the hinge position is written for it. Hinge position, then at this time our table is equivalent to being complete, right? It is complete. And then let's first talk about this model. What does this model mean, right? Take where is the value? First of all, the model number is taken. There is a flat door in this module. It is actually named this. If I want to make a simple flat door, right, then I can directly attach a door panel cover, right? Attach a door panel cover and I can just paste it on it, right? Then I may have to make other things like handle-free ones, right? At this time, to put it bluntly, we can directly import it and import it and attach its name and paste it into our table. Then we can enter the corresponding, the size is fine. For example, this one is 900 and this one is 800, right? Then I won't change the following. Then we can input the corresponding quantity, right? How many pieces do I need? And what material and color are they? Then the parameters are the same. Don't worry about it. And the direction, does it open to the left or the right? The edge ceiling includes
an
anklet, right? Anklet, yes, means you want an anklet. No means you don't want an anklet. And then let's write it down, right? If all are evenly divided, then the anklet position is the same. If it is divided equally, then the anklet position does not need to be written. Why? Because there is a setting for the anklet defined in our design software. That is, there is an entry door setting in our help, right? There is an anklet setting, and then you just set a corresponding position for it here. If it is divided equally, it is like this. If I may not divide it equally, then I have to write it manually. How do I write the anklet position? The anklet position is written from high to low, that is from top to bottom. Okay. Compare, let's say my height is 1 meter, right? My first anklet might be at 850, so you would write 850, right? 850, then the parallel bars, and then write down, right? The second anklet is at 600, 500, 600 is a bit high, and then go down. If the third anklet is at the bottom, right? For example, it is at 200, so I can directly enter 200, right? But the parallel bars in the middle must be there. The parallel bars in the middle must be there. And then the anklet position is from top to bottom. Then we just need to enter these values. Okay, then we can save it directly, right? After saving, open the design software and import the door panel by right-clicking. Then we can choose to open the form. Then we need to set the model for the first time, right? For the first model, we choose the model, and then the width, height, thickness, quantity, material, and material. It doesn't matter if we ignore these parameters, right? Then we can choose the direction, seal the edges, and then its feet. Chain, right? Add an anklet. Then the anklet is here to add the anklet, right? The back is where the anklet is. Then after we set it up, we can click Save to use the default, which means we don't need to set it up next time we import it. If you don't save the default, we still need to set it up next time we import it. Then you can directly confirm it. You can see that our door panel has been imported. You can see that our handle-free door panels have been imported. You can see that this is the position we defined just now, right? The bottom is so big and the top is so small. And these are divided equally by default, right? They are divided equally by default. It is an operation to import the door panel into our design software.